WCDMA flash system on or in an iPhone-enabled TV. Step 4. Open the browser and it should take you directly to www.digicel4g.com. Follow the simple instructions directly. Then purchase your first plan. If you have any issues, please feel free to contact 119-084 or visit us at any customer service center. And that's all there is.
Here is all the directions. And this starts up with the clock, black box, checks if I have those, and you can free. It's not, and the microscope and some. So when I put the head on, this clock will start. And this network over here will be powered. I'll start with this network over here. This sound